Hello guys, welcome to Lead Code Cracker. Today we are going to solve our daily question. So question is minimum number of operation to move all ball to each box. The question say that we have to find the number of operation for the particular index to move all from all the index to that particular index. So question given is, let's understand the question first. We have n boxes and we have to given an string boxes of length n. In this box I, there is binary string in which boxes of I is 0 and ith box is empty. Question state that if at that index if value is 0, then ith box is empty, and 1, it contains one ball. In one operation, in only one operation, you can move one ball from a box to an adjacent box. It means that if you move one ball to an adjacent index, then you can only move one ball. Box I is adjacent to box j if abs I is minus j equal to 1. It's state that if absolute difference of two indexes will be 1, then both boxes are adjacent. Note that after doing so, there will be more than one ball in same boxes. कुछ boxes में, in some boxes there are more than one ball after doing that operation. So there is two method. One is optimized method and another is brute force method. In this video, we talk about the brute force method. So how to solve using brute force method? Because in interview, brute force method also take part. Because interviewers ask, let's first solve your question by brute force. Because why we are able to solve question by brute force? Because here constant are very small. Check your constant. 1 less than n less than equal to 2000. N is either 0 or 1 or n equal to 1. Now let's solve the question. Such as first we iterate our box. How is that? For each index we iterate. Let's declare one vector called answer, in which we make full vector comprising zeros. Take one some variable that having a 0, and now if our box has ball, then only we can do our operation. Now we store in that in at each index. Now just we have to return answer. This is the brute force. In next video we talk about the optimized approach, that is prefix sum approach. It can be solved using prefix sum. Now you can say that. You can see. Oh sorry, here I am. Mistake. What? Oh sorry, boxes. Sorry guys. Mistake. Oh sorry. Sorry. Now see that our test case all are passed. Now we are finally submitting, and now our code is finally submitted. Yes. Thank you and have a nice day. Subscribe.